Hi, in this video I will show you how to open the Toyota key fob and replace the battery. The process is pretty simple. Tools that I've used, and these are optional: ceramic tweezers, spudger or pry tool. The only part you would require is a CR1632 battery. You can see that button which says push right there. Hold that down and pull out the key like so and set it aside. Right out here is a notch in the casing. You would not require any other tools. Insert the key into the notch and give it a gentle twist so as to open the FOB casing. Now with a spudger, pry out the old battery like so. Avoid touching the battery with your bare fingers. I've used a ceramic tweezers to handle the battery. Put in your new battery with the plus facing out like so. Put back the case. Now click it all back together. Now put back the key in there and you are done. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thanks for watching.